The second question is alchemy the science where the scientists wanted to transfer metal to gold? So alchemy.
Metal to gold.
I would.
Yeah.
Yeah. Alchemy. Yes.
The concept of chemia is a concept which existed both in the West and in the East in the past ages. Alchemy is the English word for it. Chemistry is something else and alchemy is something else. Alchemy means that you know some secrets of nature, applying which you could turn baser metals into gold, and thereby you could have gained some knowledge which would make you immensely rich. Taking baser metal in your hand and turning it into gold. This idea prevailed both in the East and in the West. But in the West, when they pursued this idea, they pursued it through the course of pursuing nature as it existed. They studied chemistry to gain alchemy. And by their pursuit of, by this pursuit, incidentally, they discovered so many other extremely precious discoveries. There is extremely precious chemical behaviors, that the entire modern chemistry is built on this pursuit. The result was that chemistry was employed for the advancement of these nations in a fantastic manner, and this gave them an upper hand over those nations which were still involved in the older concept of alchemy without studying the chemistry. So they became poorer and poorer with their pursuit of alchemy, with their pursuit in search of alchemy. Western people became richer and richer in their pursuit of the secret of alchemy. So the results were so different. In the one, alchemy became destructive for the people who shut their eyes to the secrets of nature and yet wanted to have some access to the knowledge of alchemy. Here in the West, the same pursuit enriched them beyond imagination. So this is the difference between the Oriental behavior and the Western behavior regarding baser metals turning into gold. Enough?
Yeah, I related the two questions because I wanted to know if a science like astrology is not a science.
Yes, you did very well. But I have answered them separately, but in a manner that you can correlate them as well.
Yes, yes.
Right?
Yes.